boys and the girls here in Paris. See to the night without sun, but with madness I can't keep up. I'm a wreck, but I want it. Tell me the truth, is it love or just Paris?
Hi, my name is Cholada. In our presentation, we will be discussing the use of accounting information system and their importance in Topshop. Topshop is a chain of retail clothing store. It is founded in Sheffield in 1964 and is now part of the Arcadic Group. It was created to provide classic, fun and innovative twist to fashion for the female gender. Topshop has approximately 300 stores in the UK and over 140 stores internationally. As a commercial format of the Arcadic Group, Topshop follows their business model, which is based on innovation and flexibility. Topshop maintains close contact with the customer and make an extra effort to understand their needs and obtain their suggestions and feedbacks on the latest trends. Business-to-customer modeling make internet access affordable, allowing customers to participate and interact in web-based commerce. Topshop differentiates itself by providing an extensive mixture of products catering to different individuals. Customers can also book an appointment online with Topshop personal shopper for free to assist them in choosing their styles. Student discount can be redeemed online all year round, targeting teenager customers specifically. This is leading retailer welcome people from a large number of countries without them being limited by geographical means. My groupmate Jessica Lee will be talking about the group website.
Topshop's website is constantly updated with more than 350 new products weekly. Customers have a greater selection of products to choose from as compared to the one in store. E-commerce sales was up 22%, stating that IT has helped Topshop to generate more income. With a clear layout, customers are able to find their desired product by narrowing down categories such as colors, style, size, and price range effortlessly. In addition, customers can sort their item based on popularity, pricing, etc. Also, items can be viewed in different angles. With the rating and review features, it provides future customers with a more informed purchase. Customers can check the availability of the stock within nearest store by using the check store features. The why not try recommendations suggest similar styles for customers to compare with their desired products. It is no longer mandatory for customers to register as a member before they can purchase items online. The advanced search features allows the customer to search for the product specifically in ease. I will then pass on to my groupmate Siu Kwan.
Information system plays an important role in customer relationship management, sales and marketing department, accounting and finance department, supply chain management, and production department. Production department relies a lot on the making of finished goods and their relationship with suppliers. With the consolidated database and system, it provides the company with real-time production monitoring as well as accurate decision-making. Problems such as insufficient or unbalancing stocks are minimized. Customer relationship management refers to building and maintaining a strong relationship with customer. With the implementation of IT, process time is reduced as related details are kept centralized in the system. Customer relationship management can identify the actual needs of customers and cater to customer preferences in the future by monitoring shopping behavior. The sales and marketing department is interdependent with each other. The sales department analyzes sales trends and transactions and also monitor performance of competitor companies. Similarly, IT also supports pricing strategy and sales performance in the marketing department. In addition, they communicate with customers through the different media and social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, etc. Accounting and finance department speeds up processing tasks and enabling users to access promptly and assist management in decision making. With IT, it provides a long-term forecast of the firm's financial performance and tracking the flow of funds in the firm. Now, I will pass to Jessica Leong to talk about the supply chain management.
The supply chain process for Topshop identified is the purchasing, ordering, inventory, warehousing, and operation strategies, or management. Purchasing strategy involves the raw materials, services, maintenance, repairs, and operating supplies required by Topshop. Multiple suppliers are required to manufacture different products to create competition, and at the same time it acts as a precautionary risk method. Some factors of consideration to choosing suppliers is the quality of goods they produce and the reliability of suppliers. Ordering management is the time between Topshop placing a purchase order and when the product is received. The ordering process would be Topshop communicating with their suppliers, stating the products required, and if the requested item is available, the product is then delivered over. Inventory management refers to managing stocks and meeting delivery due dates. With the help of IT, status of a product will be updated in real time, allowing management to be aware of the stock availability. An advantage of this will be minimizing excess stocks, and also by tracking inventory effectively, Topshop can respond to customer requests quickly. Warehousing refers to a place for Topshop to store items manufactured by suppliers. Topshop adopts the private warehousing strategy where the warehouses are owned by the firm itself. This brings an advantage of reducing warehouse costs when volume is high. Lastly, operation planning is identified as the scheduling of Topshop in terms of how they acquire product and reducing waste by arranging the organization's resources. It is essential for customer demand to match the supplies Topshop have in stock to achieve optimal level of cost. Topshop adopts the material required planning method, which is the detailed planning process for components and parts to support the master product schedule. Next, Audrey will be discussing about the entity relationship diagram.
In this entity relationship diagram, the bold and underlined wordings denotes the primary key and the bold one refers to the foreign keys. Order, customer, supplier, product, review, and payment are entities, and information below the entity is known as attributes. Between the review and product entities, one product may have many reviews. The physical entity relationship diagram is developed from the conceptual ER diagram. One of the differences is that the physical ER diagram is more detailed as it shows the lookup table. This is an example of the database table we have created with Microsoft Access. For example, the table stores the data of the product. For the lookup table, an example would be customers being restricted to the 7 payment types as shown in the circle. The bank or cash account records transactions that involve any money. The purchase ledger control account contains the total entries made in the personal purchases ledgers. Most importantly, the debit and credit of the accounts must balance with the same amount. With the use of information system in the company, data are processed correctly and securely in the database, and at the same time minimizing chances of losing information. Passwords are set up to ensure the confidentiality of information. All the accounting ledgers are updated daily to ensure users are aware of the transactions made and also assist in decision making. In this way, users can receive regular updated reports on Topshop's financial position. The SQL coding refers to displaying the details of the product table matching the supply ID of product and supply table where the name of the supply is Citygate. Using the SQL query, both the product and supplier table is used to obtain the relevant information regarding the product and the supplier of that particular product. In this way, it shows a better picture as it does not only show the supplier ID, but also the supplier name, which reduces referring time and also minimizing errors at the same time. In conclusion, Topshop managed to sustain its reputation within an ever-changing fashion market. According to surveys, Topshop is one of the most popular retailer on Facebook and Twitter. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.